2 bags of shopping for £1.60. Look at these lovely peaches that I saw. They've been £3 down to 10p, and they are quite ripe. Figs, 10p. I tell you what was nice to see. The oil section seemed to have, look at this clip, seemed to have quite a bit of oil on it. So that was lovely to see. Diced carrot and swede, 10p, along with the diced butternut squash and sweet potato. So I'll be adding some of those lovely apples that I've still got to that, and some of those potatoes, and making like a stew. I got a Scotch egg for 10p, some hummus for 10p, a gluten-free sausage roll for 10p, some sweet and crunchy stir fry for 10p. I have put a little bit more petrol in my car this week, so I will be living out of my cupboards. This will probably be the first time and last time that I'll go to the supermarket. I got these hot dog rolls for 10p, and I didn't see the bananas. I only saw them in somebody's basket. So when I went and looked at the bananas rather than the reduced section, they've got these instead of 95p for 25p. So I won't be making hot dogs. What I will be making bigger ripe one. So not a hot dog, a hot banana. Delicious. I've just been out foraging. Of course, do your own research when it comes to foraging. Make sure you know what you're picking before you pick it. But I've got some dandelion, some plantain, nettles, some raspberry leaves, a few clover, and some cleavers for some smoothies. Mixed with one of those apples, I think, and some water. Have a green boost. Look at these lovely microgreens that have grown. I am going to just take 2 or 3 out, I think, and transplant them and see if they'll just grow on their own. And the lentils that I cut back, they're starting to grow again. This one's definitely a lettuce. Be interesting to see how they develop when they've got a little bit more space. That one looks like a beetroot. This container that I'm putting them in, it had a roast chicken in, so it's got a lid. So I'll put the lid on until these take. My friend bought me a roast chicken. My friends know me too well. The same friend for my birthday bought me some sausages, and they were beautiful sausages from a farmer's market. Award-winning butchers somewhere near York. And another friend bought me this, I'll just show you. So this is what my friend bought me. Lovely. seed tin. And earlier in the year I bought some wildflower, proper St John's wort, not the variegated variety that you often see. This is the St John's wort that actually I think they use medicinally for depression. So I'm going to plant that. It says you can plant it in May. So I'll be sorting my seeds out and popping them all in that tin. And she also bought me this Sow and Grow lavender kit. Lovely. Bit of a gardening day. I do think houseplants give a positive energy to the place. I got this orchid compost from Lidl last year actually. I've just used half of it. Added some water. It's coconut compost with a little bit of starter fertiliser in it. This pot is far too small now. So I've just used an old water bottle and I'm just punching some holes in it. And I've cut off all the dead or rotten roots from this beautiful white orchid. I'll just show you a little picture of what it's like when it's flowering. It's not flowered for a year, so I thought I'd repot it. I've got 2 orchids to repot, so we'll plod on. This coconut fiber's a lot better than that wooden moss that it came in. To tell you the truth, I've not actually repotted it since I bought it, which is 7 years ago. So it'll think all its birthdays have come at once. There we are, all repotted and happy again. Hopefully we'll get some flowers. So do whatever you can in these times just to keep your spirits up. Surround yourself with plants. Go out there and see what bargains you can find. And don't watch the news too much. Take care, people.